Yo yo yo! It's a new beautiful day. I have maybe a couple hours of work time today, so let me catch you up to speed. I really should get rid of this. Get like a desk clamped mic arm. There's something going on with my desktop because, you know, what the fuck. Alright, let's just fix that. Last time I did some to-do list, I tried to do something and then ended up downloading a template and man. Alright. Yeah, so I listed all the current exercises of each and every like this course, and yeah, there's like, if they are high, they are like the main exercises, and if they are low, they are like extras, and probably the ones that I'm not going to do because I'm quite out of time, if I can say. The cool thing about this is that if I like click here, the bar is filling up, and that's quite cool. It gives me a visual feedback. What the fuck is this? Close enough. Anyways, these are like, I made myself like this system that at first there's the course that I'm currently taking. These are robotics, electromagnetic, like this physics course. Then there's like yeah, information like controlling. That one I think has started recently because there's like, yeah, three exercises, and then there's these information, like internet things, like how I can handle information, and yeah. I don't know about that one. I think I haven't yet. Oh, I have done this like the first 1 to 3, but yeah, we'll see. That's basically like internet stuff, and then there's this. I think this will be like web development, like kind of basics. We have had like this HTML and stuff, like really basic things, but I think this will be more in depth. But now I think the main thing I have to do or have to start doing is this the internet course, because it has something called final exam, and it's the only course that has an exam, and the final exams are next month. There's different days of like reserved for the exam, but yeah, it's going to we are doing the Cisco's, like the internet of things, like this learning packet, I could say, and it's like there's 1 to 17 different areas, and each of them take a while to complete, and that's quite scary when I have this much to be done. And yeah, the final exam is about each and every one of them, so but yeah, I should get going. start with this. Oh yeah, and I forgot I was talking about this my system. So there's the course, then there's the kind of like module that I'm taking currently, or that there is, because one module can have like one or more exercises to do. So that's why it exists. And yeah, then there's the actual exercise that I'm currently doing. So now I'm just start today's work. The rough translation is Long Friday or Great Friday. I'm not sure. I don't see the translation in here, but yeah, it's basically the Friday before Easter, and it's this. It's like a holiday, yeah, and today we are like going to my family and have a nice dinner with my peeps, and that's why today I have not too much time. Yeah, there's final exam, so what? Oh. There's like maybe I don't want to like show you everything. So yeah, these are the time of the final exams. I just got scared. I was like, what? 4th of 18th. That has gone already. And then I looked at the calendar, and yeah, it's 29th of 3rd. 29th of March or March 29. I'm not sure how to say this in English, because in Finland we have it like the other way around. It's like first the day, and then the month, and then the year, and so that's why this is so. But yeah, I am now going to start doing the Cisco's thing. Yeah, I actually got responses from my teachers that I still have time in many of the courses. Like this internet thing is the like the network thing course is like the main thing I have to focus on right now, because it has an exam. The other ones don't. I think the robotics guy said that I have time until maybe May. Till May I have time, and then the electromagnetic teacher said that I have time until like the 8th. Hold on, July. I have time till July to do that, so that's huge. And the other teachers haven't responded yet because they are on the Easter vacation, and I have time for the what consular it was. I don't remember anymore, but yeah, I have scheduled all my things. So yeah, here's my thing, and ignore my bookmarks. And oh shit, wait, what the fuck? Interesting. Can I really not like? Maybe put it like that, and that's freaky. Oh yeah, the Excel is showing behind it. Oh yeah. Yeah, but welcome to physical layer. The physical layer of the OSI model is site at the bottom of the stack. What will I learn to do in this model? A physical layer. Okay, I'm not sure. Explain how physical layer protocol services and network media support communication across data networks. Yeah, today, or I will start to learn that. I have learned to do like switch configuration, like in how to connect to the terminal and configure it to have a passwords and message of the day and stuff. Cisco has a fun thing called like packet tracer. It uses that, and it can like simulate some of these networking aspects and how to build it. Like there's like situations that I have to do, like there's a rack, there's a table, and there's like the shelf that has like items, different items. I can track a PC there, and then I can maybe take select from different switch models. I can select one and or several, but like till now I've only done it with one. I can drag it to the rack and then start connecting the things with like wires, and it's fun because you can clearly see what is like happening, and you have to choose the right cables and stuff, and it's really fun. And I think that's how I've learned more than reading with this, because Cisco has done something quite annoying. There's usually this huge amount of text, and if they're talking about talking about something like in the area of, or like the thing that I'm learning currently, and then there's the ad like of Cisco's like hardware or something like, yeah, you cannot do this with the other switches, but with the new Cisco's yada yada switch you can do this, and it's better than the other, but we don't tell you that, lol XD. But yeah, I'm just like usually skimming these, and there are then like these that I have to answer these questions, so I'm going to now focus on this. I'm going to now back to verse audio, but yeah, I'm going to just start reading and focus on this task. My destruction, or my like this Achilles heel, I could say, is these, like this, or they're like, I'm not sure what they are. Let me acronyms. Yeah, these acronyms, I'm so bad at. I can't, for some reason, I can't remember them at all. Like, I think this has come up in like before in here, in these other modules, but like I just cannot remember. And like this, I have hard time remembering what IP means. I'm not quite sure. Like, yeah, I can't remember what it means, and TCP and stuff. I just, for some reason, I can't, and that's why I'm going to use yet another text file to like collect them now, because yeah, I cannot, I can't. And I googled OSI, Open Systems in Interconnection, if that's right. Open System Interconnection model. Okay. Yeah, that's going to be my lookup table. Yeah, now I'm going to answer these questions, and let's see if I can remember what they mean, or have I understood the information that I just read, and that's probably probably not. But let's see. Is only concerned with wired network connection. When a frame is encoded by the physical layer, all bits are sent over the media at the same time. Now I have to look it up because I'm not sure. Gosh. How? The physical layer of the receiving device passes bits up to which higher level. I think it was data link. What is a PDU? Oh yeah, it's the protocol data in there. Yeah, I forgot. Protocol PDU. Protocol data unit. Yeah, buddy. Physical layer of encoding and transmission. Alright, the first ones were off and sheet. So the physical layer concerned with wired network connections. Okay, it's not. The frame is encoded, but all bits are sent over. Make up a data link layer frame across the network media. Yeah, sometimes I don't quite understand The physical layer provides the means to transport bits over the network is wired or wired. When encoded, the bits making up a frame are transmitted over to media, one at a time. What? Alright, I'm not going to question this. Noni. Ja. Tupsa tänne ja. Tiedä. I should know these by now, but I just can't remember. Transmission control protocol, TCP. The server protocols in the transmission control protocol and internet protocol suite are defined by the Internet Engineering Task Force. Funny story about this. There was like section in one of the modules that had these like different organizations that like kind of like control the internet, how it works, and makes sure that it works correctly. And yeah, there's basically these. And I was just like, yeah, these are just many like acronyms. I'm not going to like read about those. I think those are like useless. That I won't need to know them. And then there was this model exam, and of course it had a lot of questions about those organizations, like what does this do, and what's the like the word from this acronym, and god damn it, maybe I'll now try to write them down. IETF, Internet Engineering Task Force. Maybe like USA. USA. No, that is one acronym that I know. United States of America. Institute. I forgot all of them, but something internet. If there's an I, it's internet. Or if there's E, it's maybe a 20% chance that it's engineer. Very good, very good. I should take the protocols and models module again because I suck at it, because I just look at this and I cannot remember what these actually do, so I really should go back to that. Yeah, there's again. The various ports and interfaces on a Cisco 1941 router are... I can skip that. Hi, hello. Yes, I have a standing desk, but now we are about to leave in about an hour, and
Siis enkuksiko sä puhut?
yeah. I read a lot about cabling and about how the data is moved with different mediums. There was this wireless and the copper normal cables, and then the fiber optic cabling and stuff. There was a really fun packet tracer exercise. I got to connect switches and switches to cloud and switches to switches and computer to switch and server to switch and stuff like that. That was quite fun. And now I've been multitasking because my mother needs a new phone for her work. I promised that I give her one of my old phones. I have 5 of them. 5 of them on hand, so my fiance will be happy that I'm removing one of them from my collection. This model is with the Apple group OnePlus Nord CE 5G. I'm not sure. I'm not quite sure. This was my old phone. I used it maybe a year or 2 ago. I think this was my last phone before I switched to iOS, to this SE model. But I don't like the iOS. It's not for me, so I bought really impulsive buy. This was 100 euros. I'm not even sure what model this is. This is from Honor, I'm not sure. Honor X6A. Yeah, 100 euros. Very good, very nice. Works like a charm with little bugs. But yeah, I have the factory reduced this, and currently I'm also looking for an external antenna for our modem. We have I think, hold on, let me fact check. Oh, okay. I have 600 megabit mobile broadband on that modem, and yeah, it gives me from 50 to 80 megabits per second. So I'm essentially like losing money because I don't get that promised 600. I know because it's 5G, it really takes like it easily gets interference with different materials and stuff, and yeah, it's sitting close to the window, and when the venetian blinds are closed, they block like about drops down to maybe 60 megabits per second, and when I open them it goes up to like to the 80 megabits per second, but it's really honestly enough for the two of us, but I'm paying for more, so um, I was thinking that maybe the antenna would give us more worth for our money, or for my money. And I think I found one. The only problem is that I'm not sure if, well, I have to make sure that it's compatible with the Deco X80 5G model that I have, and then I have to be sure that where's the closest antenna is, where that I know where to aim it, or if I even have to aim it, I'm not sure. Yeah, I think I have to aim this one too. Yeah, but it's always going to be 100, over 100 euros, but maybe in the long run I'll be winning. But yeah, now maybe reset to the factory settings and be happy. I don't think that I have anything that I need on this. Okay, I think I just factory reset this and download the updates and call it a day. Maybe that's enough. The requirements were only like to have it that WhatsApp is usable. That was the only requirement. So this will handle it. Yeah. Only thing about this phone is that it cannot record video, and that's sad. I think it's it's in the model. For some reason it doesn't record live. It records for 30 seconds and then disables it. I'm not sure why. Factory reset. Alright, it's resetting itself. Yeah, I think this was it from today. I think I'll in the evening when we get back home late, I think I'll just edit this video and push it out. Nothing else. Maybe game a little bit if there's a chance. But yeah. One thing I want to say about this. Let me show you. This is our modem, the X85G from Deco. It's been quite good. I paid I think 700 euros for it. but it has the Wi-Fi 6 and you know, all the good stuff for the future and the mesh thing and like upgradability. And the only problem is that it sometimes crashes because it gets too hot. It's somehow like maybe the design or something is like not very good for thermals. I've been thinking about that if I void the warranty and maybe like disassemble this and I think I want to maybe mod this a little bit, thinking about like having another fan or better fan, for example, and my colleague threw in an idea that maybe even add like a heatsink from a laptop, and I have one laptop right there, and that might be quite good idea if I want to go that far, because I think if I start to disassemble this, I have to complete it in one day, because you know, internet, we need it nowadays. It's almost integrated in us, but yeah, there's a 3D printer at our school. I was thinking about maybe I could like 3D print a new case for it if the fan doesn't fit in here or something. But I will have to see what can I do with this. Yeah, I'm just very afraid that well, I think it's just going to be some like, you know, motherboard and then the required elements for the internet access and stuff, and then there's the LED light and like that, but I think there will be nothing more, and the fan also, but I'm not sure how that works. But I will have to see, maybe one day we'll record this stupid video where I disassemble this and basically break my Wi-Fi. But yeah, bye bye.